I figured I'd show you my progress here. Less than probably 2 minutes. Look at this. How's that look? And I just raised these up. Got a rock under there, rock here. See that one? That one. Here's one there, there, and there. Right here. I tap that down. Just push on this with my hand after I get it adjusted by that nail, and then once this raises up, it just pushes over. How's that look? Doesn't that look a lot better? And that's what I'm going to do. And the rest of this down here, just to there, where I've got my last rock. I'll check that out, and I'll fix it. Easy. And see, I just got my landscape rocks. You want flatwoods, kind of like that. See this one probably is not going to work because it's too fat. This one's probably not going to work because it's too thin. But something like that where it tapers to fat, I could just push that in there. That one's going to work. That maybe not. This one for sure it will. And so there's my rocks right there to fix that. All right. 5-10 minutes. That's all it took me. You just have to put the rocks in strategic locations. Once you do it in one spot, it'll bend, it'll tilt this whole thing up for about 1.5 to 2 feet. And see there, look at that. Okay, I fixed this too, and I was wrong too. Remember I said the thin ones you're probably not going to use. Well, in a couple places like right here, that's a thin rock, but I put a fatter rock underneath it. You know, it was probably like that thick, tapered down, and it didn't do it all the way. So then I just got a thin rock like this, which is that one, tilted that up a little bit, just wedged it. As soon as I got it wedged, I just took my hammer and tap it in. See, like that. I'm liking that way better than it was before. I adjust this, see there? And that's just all there is to it. I don't have to do anything more than that. And now I've got those rocks, and I'm gonna come over here and fix this. Yeah, it's kind of tricky to get underneath that bush, but that's why I have my 2 knee pads. I just lay it down sideways and kind of reach down under there, tilted it a little bit with my I just, you know, I use this thing for all kinds of stuff. This is just a stiff putty knife. Used to be for putty, for drywall, spackling and stuff like that. It's not very flexible at all. And then I was going to throw it away, and I thought, hey, I'll just use that for demo and just different things to try on. And it works out great. Look at the point that I have on there, just from wearing on it and doing different things. And hey, it's still good for a little bit longer, you know. All right, so I'm going to take my little rocks and I'm going to fix this one over here, and I'll show you that in a minute. Now I'm showing you these things so that you can see, hey, if I can do it, I'm just an average Joe. If I can do it and kind of tweak on it and certain things and show you how I fix it, you should be able to do it too, okay? That's what these videos are about.